So last night I got into this old dirty house and something wasn't quite right. But I didn't spend a whole lot of time before we went down and had dinner with Lorraine. And my nose was still a little musty from the job I just got done doing, so I didn't really have my finger on it. But the more time I spend here, and first thing this morning, I really got it. The problem in this old house is this old dirty garbage can. Look at that old dirty garbage can. Look at how dirty that is. Filled with garbage, gross, nasty, disgusting. And on top of it, the cap's not closed, and there's a bunch of garbage on the cap, you know, so that garbage, that's no good. That's nasty. So today what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the garbage can up a little bit, take the garbage out on this old dirty house, because this old dirty house needs it. Let me tell you, this, like, you can't leave garbage, food garbage, chicken garbage in there for more than a day or so, especially in the summertime when it's hot, because it just stinks up. I walk in the front door, boom, it's like a punch in the face. So here we do. We take off the cap. First thing we do, we're gonna throw it out. Oh, wait, we want to throw it in the sink, but look, there's dirty dishes in the sink, so I gotta move the dirty dishes out of there. That's why you should always do your dirty dishes. We'll throw it in there and we're gonna give that a good cleaning out. While we're doing that, since this is your old dirty house, Rennell, why don't I have you take that garbage out?
So basically, to clean the garbage can, here's what you do. You spray it down. With scrubbing bubbles. Okay. Let that settle in. And then what you do here is you take paper towel, wipe it, turn the water on. Since it's pretty much dry, you just go through here with a paper towel and just basically and wipe it out. All right. And now, all you do is put your new garbage bag in. Alright, so that is how you clean the garbage can on this dirty house. Here we go. If you like what you've seen, please share, like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to light up that bell so you don't miss anything.